What if I told you that one of the world's most advanced cars is built by thousands of robots working in... We're going inside Tesla's step to unraw metal to a fully electric car.
Every Tesla begins with raw materials. High-strength steel, lightweight aluminum, and precision-engineered components arrive before manufacturing begins. With thousands of tons of pressure, this giant transforms steel.
Panel dimensions verified.
Now enter a factory where thousands of robots work together. Inside Tesla's body shop, hundreds of intelligent robots work together with incredible precision. Every weld is measured to the millimeter, creating a strong, lightweight frame built for which. Instead of welding dozens of parts, Tesla uses one of the world's largest casting machines. This creates a single...
Casting temperature is stable.
Now comes the heart of every Tesla. The battery is the heart of every Tesla. Thousands of lithium-ion cells are manufactured, inspected, tested with extreme precision. Even the smallest thousands of battery cells are carefully assembled into a single high-capacity battery pack. Advanced cooling systems, sensors, and precision electronics. Battery is complete.
Engineers call it the marriage, when the body meets its battery pack.
Alignment confirmed.
Now the Tesla looks complete, but it still can't drive until it receives its brain.
Now Tesla installs the vehicle's intelligence. The touchscreen, computers, the hardware is ready.
The hardware is ready.
But without software, this list still can't move. Before a Tesla can drive, its software becomes the vehicle's brain. Everything is systems online, but complete. But can this Tesla pass its final test? No Tesla leaves this factory. Every vehicle must pass strict inspections. Water, braking, and performance are tested to ensure it meets all standards.
Inspection complete. Vehicle approved.
Every new car is finally ready. Ready for the open road.
Delivery confirmed. Send them out.
Would you drive a car built by robots? Subscribe for more factory documentaries.
Tesla's mission is to accelerate sustainable energy. Production never stops.
Next vehicle in progress.
This is how vehicles are made. Which factory is next?
Prototypes undergo thousands of hours of testing.
Telemetry is stable. Continue the high-speed evaluation.
In our next episode, we'll uncover autopilot. Every battery starts here. Deep beneath the earth lies lithium. This is the most important material.
Lithium ore quality confirmed. Transport that load to the refining plant.
Freshly mined lithium isn't ready for batteries. It must go through a highly controlled refining process.
This produces ultra-high pure...
Firmed at battery grade.
Approved shipment is finally...
Battery production demands precision. Advanced materials are coated and pressed. Every step happens in a clean environment.
Zero defects detected.
But one final test will decide before a single battery cell is installed, it must survive testing. Only the best cells move forward.
Performance verified. Approved for battery pack assembly.
While the battery stores the energy, the electric motor turns it into motion.
Rotor alignment confirmed.
Every Tesla motor is built with extreme precision. The motor is ready. The inverter rapidly converts battery current, delivering smooth acceleration.
Delivering maximum efficiency. Power module calibration complete.
Inverter approved for installation. The drive unit combines the electric motor, inverter, gearbox, and cooling system into one compact package.
This is the system that transforms electrical energies complete.
But before powering a real vehicle, every drive unit must prove it can withstand extreme
operating conditions.
NGM passed endurance validation.
The powertrain has passed, but
after weeks of manufacturing and testing, the battery pack and drive unit become one.
Powertrain installation complete. High voltage systems secure. Ready
But the
for
Tesla
activation.
has never moved on its own.
This is the moment every engineer waits for. The car's systems come alive.
Startup sequence initiated. All systems operational.
But can it drive perfectly on its very first test?
For the first time, the Tesla moves under its own power.
Vehicle response is smooth.
They ensure every system works exactly as does a test. But one final challenge remains.
A Tesla must perform in every climate on Earth. Engineers simulate freezing winters and scorching deserts. They verify sealing and passenger comfort.
But after hundreds of manufacturing steps and rigorous checks, final inspection ensures every Tesla meets standards. Only then is it
Final
approved.
inspection complete.
Release for customer delivery.
Before delivery, Tesla calibrates the vehicle's cameras. This process ensures the car understands its surroundings. All features perform as intended.
Camera alignment complete.
Every vehicle undergoes carefully controlled safety evaluations. Engineers verify braking, steering, and stability.
Emergency braking response confirmed.
One final journey remains.
After months of engineering, every approved Tesla is carefully prepared. Before beginning,
Vehicle secured for transport. Destination confirmed.
one factory,
Quality control isn't only at the end. Tesla inspects components,
Dimensional accuracy confirmed.
using automated vision systems, precision measurement tools to maintain consistent quality.
Component approved.
Even
Every Tesla is digitally tracked using its VIN. This allows tracking from a centralized system.
Vehicle tracking. It tracks assembly and quality checks.
The factory knows every detail.
from a single factory to roads across the world,
All vehicles loaded.
every Tesla begins.
Shipment cleared for departure.
Subscribe for more cinematic documentaries. Simplifying production is key. Tesla uses large single-piece castings.
Large casting verified. Assembly efficiency has improved.
Building the car is only half the story.
Update package deployed.
Unlike traditional vehicles, Tesla sends wireless updates over time.
Installation complete.
Systems keep up to date. But
Tesla continues to evolve its manufacturing process. Through automation and energy efficiency, future factories will combine advanced robotics. Thanks for watching.
Now the empty shell becomes a real automobile. Every interior component is carefully installed and inspected to ensure comfort. Cabin inspect final testing stage.
designs undergo controlled crash testing to evaluate occupant protection.
Impact analysis complete.
Structure protected exactly will reveal the truth.
After every inspection, the vehicle receives review.
Final diagnostics complete.
Vehicle cleared.
Subscribe for more cinematic documentaries.
From the Earth, every Tesla represents thousands of hours of engineering.
Production complete, being built.
While the journey ends here, the future begins. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.